everybody, welcome to my fluid art studio. I'm using an old canvas and I am mixing my paints in 3-ounce cups. I use Liquitex and Floetrol, little Liquitex, mostly Floetrol, and also distilled water to loosen my paints. Depending on the brand, you have to use more or less water and Floetrol. I love this funnel picture, and it started off great with the wings, and then it went awry. The cyclone cup made beautiful details and lacing in that gold. But the second one just didn't do it. Okay, so the Dutch pour is always one of my go-tos, and also the ribbons. But I stuck with the Dutch pour blowout. Oh, this painting had me worried. I thought it was a little too thick on the paint and I was gonna get crazing, but it did not craze. It dried perfect. Thank you for joining me today and watching me in my art studio on some tricky things. Don't forget to click like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button to get notified of the next video. See you soon.